You know what's an incredibly important part of your PC, but something many people overlook? Good old-fashioned airflow. Well, we have 3 stunning new cases for you, whose sole aim is to ensure that your components get the best air cooling possible. Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Commander G series. Ideal cases for both gamers and enthusiasts alike who care about air. The Commander G series of cases have all the same dimensions, 441mm high, 225mm wide, and 472mm deep. These high airflow cases are all constructed with a specially designed mesh front panel in 3 distinct styles. All 3 faceplates have a large perforated surface design, helping to ensure that there is no risk of bad airflow choking your components. To further assist in airflow, this case even comes with a perforated PSU shroud to keep even your power supply running nice and cool. The case also comes with a pre-installed 200mm ARGB fan at the front, which can be controlled through your preferred motherboard software, or via the RGB switch on the I/O port. A second standard 120mm pre-installed fan is located at the rear of the case to help aid you in your quest for peak airflow. There is a 4mm thick tempered glass panel on the left-hand side of the case. This type of panel is thicker and more scratch resistant than your standard acrylic, and allows you to fully display your gorgeous components in all their RGB glory. And to show off even more, the case is specifically designed to offer dual GPU placement options. This means the case can support vertical graphics card layouts with 2 PCIe slot designs. Additionally, there is an included GPU support bracket. But with all this amazing airflow, sadly comes its byproduct, dust! But never fear, because the Commander G series has excellent dust filtration. There is a handy-dandy magnetic fan filter located at the top of the case and a removable dust filter at the bottom. Cable management is made a breeze with lots of nooks and crannies at the back of the case to help things look nice and orderly. We've also included a sliding HDD tray so the location of your internal storage can be moved with ease. This can help with cable routing or with longer form factor power supplies. You can fit up to an ATX sized motherboard inside, as well as a CPU cooler of up to 165mm high and a graphics card up to 300mm in length. There are several different fan and radiator configurations you can run in these bad boys too, making them ideal cases for expandability. There is space for up to 2 200mm fans at the front, and you can fit up to a 240mm radiator at the top. So if your current case is choking you up because it's all choked up, then it's time to try one of our gorgeous high airflow Commander G cases. 3 stunning designs, 3 exceptional cases. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and let us know in the comment section down below any thoughts or questions you may have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ding the bell to be notified each and every time that we upload. And while you're still here, check out one of these 4 Thermaltake videos that are floating around me. We'll see you in the next one. Alright, there you go.
That's it?
I'm not doing anything else funny.